This video is going to take you through EdPuzzle in 5 minutes or less. EdPuzzle is a tool that uses videos to give learners information and supplement instruction for teachers. Once you've gone to the EdPuzzle website, you're going to want to sign up. Once you have signed up, you can log into your account. As you can see, you can log in as a teacher or a student. For now, I'm going to log in as a teacher, and I've connected it to my Google account, so I will log in through that. Once you log in, you will automatically be brought to this screen. I've already added a class in, however, you will want to add a class. You can add a new class or import from Google Classroom. Once you have created your class, you will want to create content for your students to view. Click on the content button on the top, and over to the left, you can see that there are a variety of channels where you can search for videos that you can use for your class. So I'm going to click on YouTube, and I'm going to search for a video on seasons. As you can see, there are many videos that pop up. I can go through and watch these videos. I can go to another channel and decide if there's something better for me. For now, I'm just going to take a look at this first video here. If I hover over the video, I have 3 options. I can edit, watch, or copy the video. If I've watched it and decided I like what's put into the video, I can copy it directly to my class for my students to view. For now, I'm going to edit this video, and I'm going to take you through these 4 different options for editing. These are great things to make these videos your own. First of all, you can crop the video. You can make sure that you only include the pieces that you want for your students. You can also create a voiceover where you're talking over the video. You can create audio notes that also go directly into the video. And the feature that I'm going to focus on today is quizzes. This is a great feature in EdPuzzle. What it enables you to do is input quiz questions directly into the video. It will stop the video where you place the quiz question, whether you want it at the beginning or you want it halfway through. And students must answer the question before they can move on. So if I wanted to input a question, I'm going to click the question mark. And over to the right, I can see there is an option for open-ended questions, an option for multiple choice questions, or an option to leave a comment. I'm going to type in an open-ended question. What are the 4 seasons? And save it. Any student who watches this video must answer that question, and this is a great formative assessment for teachers. Once I have edited the video how I'd like it, I'm going to finish it, and here I can create a due date, I can assign it to my class or add a new class, and finally I have the option to prevent skipping, meaning students cannot skip through the video and just say that they watched it. I can make sure that they are answering all the questions and watching the whole video. So I'm going to assign this to my class, and I'm brought to this screen where I can see who's watched the video, what their grade is on the quiz, when they watched it, and if they turned it in or not. So some benefits for EdPuzzle. As I said before, it's easy to monitor student progress. This is a great tool to use for formative assessments for students. Additionally, it creates a variety to instruction. Students are typically more interested and engaged when technology is involved. So incorporating this into instruction gets students more interested. Finally, it's easy for teachers and students to use EdPuzzle. However, there are some drawbacks. One is that it is limited in what you can do in the quizzes. As you saw, I only had a couple options for the types of quiz questions I could include. And I don't really have the option for follow-up questions unless I place them at the end of the video. Also, it requires one-to-one devices for student use. Finally, I can't create videos from scratch. I have to use videos that have already been put into EdPuzzle through YouTube, Khan Academy, TED Talks, etc. However, there are some educational uses that support learner-centered pedagogies. One specifically is that this supports scaffolded instruction for students who may need guidance as they start inquiry-based learning assignments or project-based learning assignments. It's a great way to help your students understand what they need before they start those projects. Overall, this is a great tool to use across all grade levels. It is a good incorporation of technology, yet still requires students to use 21st century skills, such as researching, analyzing, sharing, watching, and listening. And there you have it, EdPuzzle in 5 minutes or less.